Welcome World Bike 2026 Royal Enfield Classic 350 continues the legendary heritage of one of the most iconic motorcycles ever built. A symbol of timeless design and mechanical simplicity, the Classic 350 has evolved yet again this time with refined technology, improved comfort, and the unmistakable Royal Enfield charm. For 2026, the Classic 350 not only keeps its vintage soul intact but also adds a modern touch that enhances performance, safety, and overall rideability. Let's explore what makes this motorcycle such a beloved machine for riders across generations. At the heart of the 2026 Royal Enfield Classic 350 is the same proven 349cc, single-cylinder, air-oil-cooled engine based on the J-Series platform. It produces around 20.2 horsepower and 27 Nm of torque, paired with a smooth 5-speed gearbox. This engine is tuned for linear power delivery, offering a calm yet confident throttle response. The vibrations are well managed, especially compared to older Royal Enfield models, thanks to a more refined engine mount and balance shaft. Whether you're cruising through city traffic or gliding down a scenic highway, the Classic 350 feels effortless and smooth, staying true to its easygoing character. Performance-wise, the 2026 model offers improved throttle response and slightly better fuel efficiency than before. The bike maintains its relaxed riding nature, ideal for those who prefer a steady, torque-rich feel rather than high-speed aggression. Acceleration is smooth and predictable, with the bike performing best between 60 to 90 km per hour, where the engine feels most at home. Royal Enfield has worked on fine-tuning the gearbox, making shifts cleaner and clutch action lighter. Small yet significant upgrades that add to rider comfort on long journeys. In terms of ride and handling, the Classic 350 has come a long way. Built on the robust J-platform chassis, it feels more planted and stable at all speeds. The front suspension uses 41mm telescopic forks, while the rear gets twin gas-charged shock absorbers that handle bumps and potholes with ease. The bike's weight at around 195 kg actually adds to its stability on highways and during cornering. The seat height of 805mm makes it comfortable for riders of various heights, and the ergonomics are designed for long hours in the saddle without fatigue. When it comes to braking, Royal Enfield has equipped the 2026 Classic 350 with a front 300mm disc and rear 270mm disc setup, along with dual-channel ABS for maximum safety. The braking feels progressive and reliable, allowing riders to have full control even during sudden stops. The wheels, a 19-inch at the front and 18-inch at the rear, offer a perfect balance between stability and agility, while the tires provide good grip on both city roads and open highways. Now let's talk about the area where the Classic 350 truly shines. The 2026 version preserves the legendary styling cues that defined this motorcycle: the teardrop fuel tank, rounded headlamp, chrome accents, and curvy fenders. Every line, every chrome detail, speaks of craftsmanship and tradition. Yet, this year's model introduces subtle refinements. The headlamp housing now includes a modern LED setup, giving better visibility at night while keeping the retro round shape intact. The instrument cluster has been updated to a semi-digital layout, combining the charm of an analog speedometer with the practicality of digital readouts for trip, time, fuel, and gear position. The 2026 Classic 350 also introduces new color options and premium finish variants, including two-tone paint schemes and special editions that blend nostalgia with a contemporary look. Chrome versions with blacked-out engines add a touch of boldness, while the standard matte colors appeal to those who prefer understated elegance. Royal Enfield's attention to detail is evident in the fit and finish of the paint quality, stitching on the seat, and metal touches all contribute to a premium feel that enhances its old-school allure. Comfort has always been a strong point for the Classic 350, and the 2026 version takes it further. The seat cushioning is thicker and more ergonomic, making long-distance rides easier on the back. The handlebars are slightly repositioned for a natural and upright riding posture, and the foot peg placement ensures relaxed knee angles. Combined with the smoother engine and better suspension, this bike delivers one of the most comfortable riding experiences in its class. In terms of technology, Royal Enfield has kept things simple yet modern. The 2026 Classic 350 comes equipped with a USB charging port, Bluetooth connectivity for turn-by-turn navigation, and a tripper navigation pod on select variants. These additions make it more convenient for everyday riders while preserving the minimalist aesthetic. Fuel efficiency remains impressive for a 350cc motorcycle. The bike delivers around 35 to 40 km per liter, depending on riding style and terrain. With a 13-liter fuel tank, you can easily go over 400 km before needing to refuel, perfect for long weekend getaways or daily commutes alike. Now, About the price: the 2026 Royal Enfield Classic 350 is expected to be priced between a superscript 12.20 lakh and a superscript 12.35 lakh. Showroom. This positions it as a premium yet attainable motorcycle, offering unmatched heritage, design, and durability for the money. When you consider its build quality, refined performance, and the sheer pride of owning a Royal Enfield, it's easy to see why the Classic 350 continues to dominate its segment. What truly sets the 2026 Classic 350 apart is its emotional appeal. It's not just a motorcycle, it's an experience, a connection between rider and machine. Every thump of the engine, every glance at its chrome body, reminds you of the decades of legacy behind it. This is a bike built for those who appreciate tradition but want modern refinement. It's for the rider who values the journey as much as the destination. To sum it up, the 2026 Royal Enfield Classic 350 blends heritage and modernity in perfect harmony. With refined power delivery, improved comfort, advanced braking, and iconic styling, it stands tall as one of the most balanced motorcycles in the midsize segment. Whether you're a new rider drawn to its charm or a veteran looking for a reliable companion with soul, the Classic 350 continues to be a timeless choice, proving once again that legends never fade, they just get better with time.